Class student, it's a revision video for your chapter first, the French Revolution. France was a strong and powerful state in the 18th century. It was ruled by a despotic ruler. The constitution of France was such that the noble and the clergy had special privileges, whereas the masses led a miserable life. Louis XV taxes the people very heavily and was least bothered about their problems. His wife Marie Antoinette was a conceited, unwise, haughty, and an extravagant woman. The French administration was incompetent, disorganized, corrupt, and expensive. Corruptions and disorder were rampant in every organ of the administrations. बहुत ही जो लुइस सोलवे है उसने क्या किया कि बहुत सारे टैक्सेस जो है अपने लोगों पर लगा दिए और उसकी वाइफ जो थी मैरियाना थी उसने मैरियाना नहीं सॉरी जो मैरिन एंटोनी थी उसने क्या किया, वो बहुत ही शक्की और ऐसे कामों में विश्वास करने वाली जिसमें जादू टोना टोटके वगैरह किए जाते हैं उनमें विश्वास करने वाली थी। बहुत ही ओल्ड रूढ़िवादी वुमेन थी। तो वहाँ क्या था कि जो समाज है वो 3 हिस्सों में बटा हुआ था। सोसाइटी हैज़ डिवाइडेड इन 3 पार्ट्स। मर्चेंट्स फर्स्ट स्टेट बोला जाता था इनको, जो फ्रेंच सोसाइटी है तो उसको 3 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया था। जो फर्स्ट स्टेट है उसके अंदर क्या था कि जो क्वीन है या जो वहाँ के किंग हैं और जो चर्च में पोप है, फर्स्ट कैटेगरी उनकी होती थी। एंड सेकंड द नोबल्स एंड द सेकंड स्टेट एंड द मर्चेंट्स प्रोफेशंस एंड पीजेंट्स आर थर्ड स्टेट। ये जो लोग थे वो थर्ड स्टेट में आते थे। द फर्स्ट 2 क्लासेस इंजॉय सेवरल राइट्स एंड प्रिविलेजेस। जो फर्स्ट टू स्टेट्स के व्यक्ति थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा अधिकार उनको मिले हुए थे। एंड वर आल्सो एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम टैक्स, और उन्हें टैक्स से छूट मिली हुई थी। वन ऑफ द मेन रीज़न बिहाइंड फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, एक कारण था, वाज द सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन प्रिवेलिंग इन फ्रांस एट दैट टाइम, कि वहाँ आर्थिक और सामाजिक भिन्नता बहुत ज़्यादा थी और यही कारण था कि वहाँ पर जो है फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ। तो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन कब हुआ, ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हेन वाज द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन राइज इन 1789, आपको याद रखना है। तो मैंने आपको बताया कि जो 3 सोसाइटी में ये कवर था। नेक्स्ट हम इसमें करेंगे कि व्हाट वाज द स्टेट्स जनरल। The States General was a political body of France in which the 3 classes or states sent their representatives before the French Revolution. In 1789, its last meeting was called in 1614. When and where was the States General convened? The States General was convened on 5th May 1789 in Versailles, who declared themselves as a member of National Assembly. The member of the third state declared themselves as a member of National Assembly. When was France made a constitutional monarchy? What was its objectives? In 1791, France was made a constitutional monarchy with the aim of restricting the powers of the monarch. What is the national anthem of France? The national anthem of France is Marseillaise. Who composed it? Poet Roget de Lisle. The national anthem of France is हु वाज ओलंपी डी जॉर्ज? कौन थी? शी वाज ए रेवोल्यूशनरी वुमेन, एक क्रांतिकारी वुमेन थी, महिला थी, एंड द राइटर ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ राइट्स ऑफ वुमेन एंड सिटीजन, और जो ऑथर है, जो राइटर है, उसने डिक्लेयर किया है कि Which French emperor helped the American colonies to gain independence? Louis XVI was the French emperor who helped the American colonies to gain independence. What is Bastille? It is a prison fort in France. फ्रांस का एक फोर्ट है, किला है, which symbolized the despotic power of the king. ये किंग की पावर का सिंबल था. Who was Louis XVI? Louis XVI was the king of France. What was tithe? Tithe, it was a tax. Tithe was a tax levied by the church on the third estate. What was tithe? It was a tax directly paid to the state in France. Who wrote the Spirit of Laws? ये किताब किसने लिखी? The Spirit of Laws was written by Montesquieu. Who was the Queen of France? Marie Antoinette was the Queen of France. Who said man was born free, yet he is everywhere in chains? Jean-Jacques Rousseau said these words. Okay. Who is the author of the book Two Territories of Government? The book was written by John Locke. Who were the Jacobins? One of the most famous and influential political club in the development of the French Revolution was the Jacobin Club. एक जैकोबिन क्लब के नाम से बहुत ही पॉलिटिकल राजनीतिक क्लब पैदा हुआ था उस समय पर. They were also called the Society of the Friends of the Constitutions. This club was the radical wing of the Revolutionary Party and its leader was Maximilien Robespierre. इसका जो लीडर था वो मैक्सिमिलियन रोबेस्पियर था. What is meant by term guillotine? The guillotine was a device meant for killing convicts. गिलोटिन होता था जो मौत के घाट उतारने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता था. इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय डॉक्टर गिलोटिन. डॉक्टर गिलोटिन ने इसको बनाया था. एंड कॉन्सिस्ट ऑफ टू पोल्स, वन पैरेलल साइड एंड ए ब्लेड ऑन द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द पोल्स. एक तरफ ब्लेड लगा था. ए पर्सन convicted was placed at the center and beheaded with the strike of the blade. बीच में रख के सिर को और ब्लेड से काट दिया जाता था. ओके. Mention any two legacies of the French Revolution. It gave the idea of liberty. It showed the way for achieving democratic rights. When and where was Napoleon defeated? Napoleon was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. Okay. Okay, student, we discuss next question. Discuss some of the basic rights of women set forth by Olympie the Gorgeous. A woman is born free and remain equal to men in rights. जो एक वुमेन होती है वो भी स्वतंत्र पैदा होती है एक आदमी की तरह. The goal of all political association in the preservation of the natural rights of women and men. These rights are liberty, property, security, and above all, resistance to oppression. The law should be the expression of the general will. All female and male citizens should have their say either personally or by their representatives. No woman in an acceptation to law, she can be accused, arrested, or detained in case determined by law like any man. Throw some light on Napoleon Bonaparte. Why did his power decline? Napoleon Bonaparte was the ruler of France. He was known as the son of the revolution because his autocratic rule emerged due to French Revolution. He also wanted to win our India. He captured Egypt in 1798. He made a plan to build the Suez Canal but was engaged in continental wars with which his military power reduced. His Russian expansion weakened his military strength to a great extent. He was defeated very badly by the British general Arthur Wellesley at Waterloo in 1815. He was arrested and sent to the island of St. Helena, where he died in 1821. Explain the significance of France Revolution in the history of France. The significance of France Revolution can be explained as follows. Establishment of democracy, monarchical system come to an end and a democratic system was established in its place. जो मोनार्ची सिस्टम है वो ख़त्म हो गया और उसकी जगह लोकतंत्रीय शासन व्यवस्था स्थापित हो गई. एंड ऑफ फेडरलिज्म. The land of the nobles was sold at low prices to the peasants. End of discrimination. The social, economic and political discrimination come to an end. समाप्त हो गया यहाँ पर इस तरह का भेदभाव. Organization of a new society. A new society was organized in France. नए समाज का निर्माण हुआ. This society was organized on the basis of liberty, जो स्वतंत्रता पर, फ्रेटर्निटी एंड इक्वेलिटी पर आधारित थी. रिफॉर्म्स इन नेशनल असेंबली. द पावर ऑफ द नेशनल असेंबली वर इंक्रीज्ड. जो नेशनल असेंबली है उसकी पावर को बढ़ाया गया. न्यू लॉ एंड टैक्सेस वर पास्ड बाय द असेंबली. असेंबली के द्वारा नए टैक्सेस और नए लॉ पास किए गए. नाउ सिमिलर लॉ अप्लाई टू एवरीवन. सभी के लिए एक समान थे. राइट टू क्लेरिजी. The right of the clergy were reduced and their authority was new only conflict to the church.